and welcome. Today we're going to New York City. Woo! I finished getting ready like 20 minutes ago and we're gonna leave like right now. It's gonna be raining all day, so that's gonna be interesting. But basically we're gonna be seeing a flamenco ballet show. So come and join us. Hello everybody, we finally parked. It's raining, so that's why I look funky. We're gonna get some coffee now.
Get ready.
We asked for small. It's actually small. I'm gonna try this brownie.
Wide open.
We're heading over to the place now. It's raining. But the show finished and it was really nice, and I don't think you can hear me, but yes. Now we're gonna walk to the car. It was so good. It was so good, you have no idea. Amazing. Loved it. 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10, 100 out of 10. Ooh, sparkly. Okay, bye. So we're home now. We got home around like 6:30. Yeah, so we've been, I think it's like 8 something now. So we've been home for 2 hours. I ate and I've just been chilling. I just wanted to say a few things before I end the video, wrap it up, you know. I really liked it. So good. I never actually saw something like that before. It was so good. It was so good. Like formations, the outfits, and like their intensity of it. I don't know. I used to dance, but I feel like I'm not using the right words. If you have a chance to see like the national, well, what do they call it? Ballet Nacional de España, National Ballet of Spain. That's how they say it. So if you get the chance to like see it, I totally recommend because it was so good. I was very surprised. I was very shocked. Like, I knew it was going to be good because this is professional dancers. Like, this is what they do. But, like, I was amazed. If you can see them, I recommend. Here in, like, the States in New York, it was only this company because right now it's a flamenco festival in New York City Center, I believe that's what it's called. They have a flamenco festival in the month of March, but this company is only for this weekend. So it's the 8, 9, and 10. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!